Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. We'll have to round up the Scroots before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. Me about those bikes. I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the Forbidden Forest. Just hang on.